I will just demonstrate the basics of pairing an Android device. In my case, it's a Samsung S2 Plus with a Windows workstation, Windows 7 equipped with Bluetooth. I'm going to do it from scratch. I'm going to run through it fairly quickly, just a refresher for some folks out there who need some basic how-to. So I'm going to attach my Bluetooth device right now to my Windows workstation. Now we have the icon, and I've enabled Bluetooth beforehand on my Android device. Okay. Next, I will click on Show Devices, and there are no paired devices right now, so I will add a device, and I need to enable Discovery for my phone, and right now it's not enabled for Discovery. So by checking a little this little checkbox here, my phone is visible to other Bluetooth devices. My phone's Bluetooth device is named Geek, so this is Geek. Next, I will enter this pairing code into my phone's Bluetooth. And we have a successful pairing. This device has been successfully added to this computer. So when we're done pairing, the next step is just to connect. So now, to complete this connection, I will run SensoDuino, and just make sure it's transmitting something. And right now I am transmitting the orientation sensors data. I've checked the TX checkbox, and here on my computer I will do Properties, Services, there you have it, serial port, SPP, SensoDuino Bluetooth. By selecting this, I will be assigning a COM port to this channel, and it's COM6. To double check, right click, Properties, Services, and there you have it. Now we have a COM6 attached to or communicating with SensoDuino Bluetooth. Say OK, and to test the connection, all I really need is the terminal emulator. I like Tera Term, so I'm going to run Tera Term. I'm going to go to the serial, and here all I have is really one connected COM port, and I know it's COM6. If I say OK, there you have it. We are transmitting from SensoDuino to the Windows PC over Bluetooth, or serial over Bluetooth to be specific, using COM6. If I enable the gravity sensor and then enable the transmission for it, now I'm seeing more information. We'll do the same for a gyro, linear accelerometer, magnetometer, light, and so on. And that's all there is to it. Next time I need to connect, I don't have to do a pairing one more time. I've already done the pairing and I've entered the passcode. Next time it's really just a straightforward connect.